Assalamualaikum student 502 Model College Girls class is 7 and the assignment is mathematics. How are you student? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am giving you an assignment of mathematics. While solving the assignment, following points should be kept in your mind. Solve your assignment on narrow line loose sheet. Write down your name, class, section, subject on the top of your sheet. Draw margin line with blue marker. Use black pointer for questions and blue fountain pen for answer. Do neat work. Avoid unnecessary cutting. Attempt rough work in front of the sum where required. Complete and submit your assignment to the Girls College by the 17th of September 2020. Student, your assignment consists of two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A consists of multiple choice question. Question number 1 is choose the best answer. Number 1 is the symbol means or, and, union, and none of these. You have to find the correct option and take the right option. Second part is A complement union A is equal to union phi set A or A complement. To write an empty set, we use the symbol union is equal to phi and intersection. Fourth part is the complement of a set A can be written as B slash A complement, N of A set A. Fifth part is if A is equal to 1, 2 and B is a set of AB, then A intersection B is equal to set of 1, 2, set of AB, set of 1, 2 AB and null set. Sixth part is if A is equal to set of 1, 3 and B is a set of 1, 2, 3, then A union B is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, the set of 1, the null set and the set of 1 and 3. Student, you have to solve these parts in rough work and then you will find the correct answer. Seventh part is B difference A is represented by A minus B, A intersection B, B slash A union B. Eighth part is the number 0 has dash reciprocal. First option is no, second is A, third is 3 and fourth is 2. Ninth part is a number that can be expressed in the form of P over Q where P and Q belongs to Z. Q is not equal to 0 is called integer, rational number, whole number, positive number. 10th part is the additive inverse of 2 over 3 is minus 2 over 3, 3 over 2, 1 over 3 and minus 3 over 2. 11th part is to separate a whole number from a fractional part in a decimal. We use the symbol this one, this one, this one or this one. You have to find the right option. 12th part is if we round off the decimal 3.7461 up to 2 decimal places, we get the answer 3.74, 3.7, 3.84, 3.75. 13th part is a rational number is terminating decimal if its denominator has no prime factor other than first option is 2 and 3, second option is 3 and 5, fourth option is 2 and 5 and the fourth option is 2 and 7. 14 part is when we change 0.25 to the number we get 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 1 over 7. 15 part is the dash consists of fraction as well as integer. Rational number, natural numbers, even number and odd number. 16 part is multiplicative identity is 2, 3, 0, 1. 17 part is additive identity is 0, 1, 2, 3. 18 part is there are dash ways to express a set 1, 2, 3, 4. 19 part is if a set is described with the help of a statement, it is called descriptive form, tabular form, set builder form, and none of these. 20 part is the multiplicative inverse of minus 4 over 7 is 4 over 7, 7 over 4, minus 7 over 4 or 1 over 7. 20th part is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 5, 1 over 6, 2 over 5 and 5 over 6. 21st part is 2 over 5 divided by minus 4 over 5 is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. You have to solve it in rough work, then you will find the correct answer. 22nd part is a rational number 7 over 8 expressed in a decimal is 0.875, 0.92, 0.52, 0.857. 23rd part is decimals can be classified into dash classes. First option is 2, second is 3, third is 4 and the fourth is 5. 24th part is 8 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4 is equal to 2 over 3, 3 over 2, 1 over 3, 4 over 3. 25th part is 121 over 169 divided by 11 over 13 is equal to 11 over 13, 13 over 11, 5 over 13. Student, you have to solve these parts and then you will find the correct answer. Your section B consists of short questions. Question number 2 is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is write the following set in descriptive form. Set B is a set of 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Second part is write the following set in tabular form. B is a set of 2 colors in the rainbow. Third part is write the following set into the set builder form. B is a set of 2, 3, 5, 7. इसे आपने सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखना है. Fourth part is find the union of the following set. Set S is a ABC and set T is a member of CDE. Fifth part is find the intersection of the following set. Set M is a set of 1 to up to 10 and N is a set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Sixth part is if S is equal to 0 to 4 and T is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have to find the T minus S. Seventh part is if P is a set of prime numbers and C is a set of composite number. Then you have to find P union C and P intersection C. Eighth part is if U is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 20, A is a set of 1, 3, 5 up to 19 and B is a set of 2, 4, 6 and so on. Then prove that B complement is equal to A. Ninth part is if U is equal to set of integers and W is a set of whole number, then find the complement of the set W. If U is equal to set of natural number and P is a set of prime number, then find the complement of set P. 11th part is if U is equal to ABC up to Z and S is a set of A, E, I, O, U and T is a set of X, Y, Z, then verify that S union phi is equal to S. 12 part is if U is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 15, L is equal to 5, 7, 9 up to 15 and M is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then verify that identity properties with respect to union and intersection of sets. 13 part is represent the rational number on the number line and you have to represent minus 5 over 2 on number line. 14 part is simplify the following. 1 over 8 minus 5 over 8. Simplify 8 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4. Simplify minus 15 over 28 multiplied by 14 over 30. Seventeenth part is simplify 13 over 23 minus 10 over 23 plus 4 over 23. 18th part is arrange the following rational number in descending order. 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 8 over 9. You have to arrange these rational number in descending order. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. Prove that 10 over 11 plus 5 over minus 44 is equal to 5 over minus 44 plus 10 over 11. Student, you have to solve all these questions very neatly and carefully. I hope you understand the lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.